Hello everyone, moving forward to the next one, we'll take some circular shaped papers which are of different colors and then we'll create a small circle with the papers as followed, and we'll then take a big piece of different paper and fold it into straw shaped paper or a stick shaped, and then we will follow the steps and stick the paper, and then we'll again take a circular shaped paper and create and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll take a big piece of paper and then fold it accordingly as shown. We'll learn how to make this by following the steps as shown, which is a really easy one and can be easily learned by kids and adults too. We'll make 4 or 5 of them we can see, and then we'll create a star out of it which looks really beautiful and nice. We'll follow the steps to complete this star and stick those papers together to complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll take a small piece of printed paper. You can take any other type of paper too. This is a really easy one and can be easily learned by anyone, and in a very short time you can learn and make this, which is really easy to make. We'll follow the steps accordingly to make this one, which is a really easy one. We'll keep folding the paper as shown as following in the video and create it into a really beautiful one which looks like a really beautiful butterfly who has beautiful wings and a beautiful body with a printed colored paper which looks really beautiful design on the wings of the butterfly. We'll follow the steps accordingly to make and complete this. From the bottom we will roll the wings or the paper to make it and complete it look like a beautiful butterfly. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll take a tool to make some holes in the paper, which is a really big one, and then we'll follow the steps to make we'll take the circular shaped cutted papers and create a beautiful penguin, and then we'll take some smaller papers to make this one. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll take a small printed paper which is a really beautiful one. This is a really easy one and can be easily learned and made by kids, and can be made in a really short time. We'll follow the steps and start by folding the paper from the half, and then we'll fold the papers from the corners too as shown, or as you can see from the video. We'll follow the steps accordingly one by one to make this and complete it as a whole to make this beautiful flower. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have taken a body of a plastic bottle to create a beautiful pineapple with a smiling face. Thank you for watching the video.